Shopify dropshipping's the bomb, yo. No, man, affiliate marketing's the best. Well, Shopify makes more money. No, affiliate marketing makes more money. You suck. No, you suck. Hold up. Guys, stop fighting. We can settle this in a calm, peaceful manner. I'm going to take affiliate marketing and I'm going to compare it to the Shopify dropshipping model. I'm an internet entrepreneur. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've tried all the different business models and I'm going to assess them on the facts. We're going to look at the age, we're going to look at the profit margin, we're going to look at the cost to start a business in affiliate marketing or drop shipping. We're going to look at whether you need customer service, inventory, ads, and we're also going to look at the major pros and cons of each business model. Is that all right? Okay, let's get into it. John Crestani here, internet entrepreneur, been doing this for about 10 years now, and I'm gonna look at both of these business models to help you decide which one you wanna get started with. So if you have tried affiliate marketing or if you've tried drop shipping, let me know in the comments before if you've tried one or if you've tried both. Just say, I've tried both. I'm gonna be addressing both of these. If you've tried nothing yet, if you're just getting started, type in just getting started, because I'd love to know if you're just totally new to the idea of online business. Maybe you've only watched videos, but been a little kind of scared to take any action. We'll go over that and hopefully make you a little more comfortable in starting a business if you truly think that's for you. Okay, so now, how long have both business models been around? Now, affiliate marketing's been around for about 25 years, or maybe over 25 years. Affiliate marketing's been around since consumers started using the internet. And where affiliate marketing started from, just to give you a little background, is really in the porn industry, okay? So that was one of the original industries that was not allowed to advertise. So affiliate marketing kind of has this reputation, although I believe it can be used for all commerce. It got started really out of a need that, some industries were not allowed to advertise and they would rely on commission-only marketers to get the word out for them, sort of like door-to-door salespeople. Whereas Shopify has been around for about 10 years. So that business model of drop shipping and really the infrastructure to drop ship was really started by Alibaba. Alibaba will send individual items over to people from China, but obviously it takes a little bit of time, but we'll go into stuff like that later.
I want some extra income. Any ideas on how to earn online?
I got one for you. What about dropshipping? It's an excellent way to start your own business online. You won't need to worry about huge investments, any inventory, or shipping. This is an awesome opportunity to have a really high profit that you control yourself. Moreover, this is the kind of business that you can run from anywhere in the world.
Well, sounds good, but actually, I don't have any experience on how to build and run this kind of business. But I love this idea, so what's next?
It doesn't matter if you are a total newbie or a true expert in dropshipping. We have the ideal solution for you. Our custom store is perfect for a hassle-free start and immediate profits. You will get a unique dropshipping store with all necessary tools and options to run your own business successfully.
Cool. How to get it?
You order a custom web store. Then, your personal support manager gets in touch with you to work on your project from start to finish, taking care about everything. Our team will help you to choose a profitable niche, add products, develop, and customize a professional web store. We will also ask you to fill in our questionnaire. This way, we will learn your requests and preferences. It's recommended to work in a niche you're passionate about, or at least know quite well. Basically, you can choose any niche you like. So, in just a few days, you will have your own dropshipping business ready to make the first profit for you. From the technical point of view, your web store is fully ready for operation when we hand it over to you.
Do you mean I will get a store ready to bring me profit instantly?
Of course! When our work is done, you can start selling immediately. Everything is set up already, so you can accept payments and process orders right after getting the site from us. Our automated solutions help you run and promote your store easily. Your profit depends on your own promotional efforts only. Some of our clients, like Alex and Muslim, are making huge money with these stores from the first month.
Well, I think I got it.
Cool. Just choose the package that suits you best and let's start your dropshipping journey today.
Okay, now the profit margins between affiliate marketing and drop shipping. In affiliate marketing, it's about 50%. Most affiliate marketers, and I know this is my background, this is my experience, this is my industry, usually keep their profit margins around 50%. There's very few moving pieces, so this is where you optimize around, even at the behest of volume if necessary, because this is a good place to be. Whereas Shopify, the profit margins are generally around 30%, okay? 30% because you're still dealing with physical products, stuff that has a hard cost to sell, so you need to be somewhat competitive. So the cost to start an affiliate marketing versus a drop shipping business, the cost to start an affiliate marketing business is roughly $1,000 to $2,000. And that's because, I mean, again, both of these businesses can be started for zero technically, but the cost to start an affiliate marketing business, I put it at $1,000 to $2,000 because in my experience training affiliate marketers, which has been a while, you still need to invest in some resources such as a website. You need to invest in, ads. You need to invest in maybe some software tools. You should be prepared to shell out that money and see it float away. Just see it go bye-bye if you're really starting a business. And if you don't have $1,000 to $2,000 that you can just throw at a business, then you shouldn't be starting a business. You should work harder at your job because you're not working harder at your job and it shows. No, but seriously, it probably does. Whereas a Shopify business, $2,000 to $5,000 is what I would recommend to get started in a Shopify business, because even though you are oftentimes drop shipping, which doesn't require you to own the product before you buy it, you can get into some really tricky situations. If you're trying to drop ship and use Facebook ads, you might get shut down really quickly. And also a lot of drop shipping is reliant on Facebook ads. And that being said, having inventory is good depending on what you're selling. And also, you want to make sure you have enough money in advertising to get started. You generally need more money if you're starting a Shopify store, because you're going to need to train the pixel, which is more of an advanced topic we could talk about another day.
Are you looking for the best solution for your dropshipping store? Meet Ali Dropship plugin. It's the most powerful tool for dropshipping stores based on WordPress. More than 30,000 entrepreneurs have already created their stores with the help of the plugin, and they're crazy about it. Why? Let me tell you. No more routine work. This plugin will automate all the repetitive dropshipping tasks, just in a couple of clicks. The plugin automatically imports AliExpress products to your store, one by one or in bulk. You can also forget about updating prices and stock by yourself. Ali Dropship gets your store synchronized with AliExpress easily. You've got lots of orders? Congratulations then! No more manual product ordering and forms filling. The plugin will fill in all the necessary fields on AliExpress automatically. Process orders in just a click. Looking for modern and beautiful designs? Free mobile-friendly and highly convertible themes are available for you with the Ali Dropship plugin. Take a note, we test our themes on our own multi-million stores to provide you with the solutions which bring the largest revenues. All the more, you also get Ali Dropship plugin Woo version. Go for it if you're an experienced WooCommerce user, so you can enjoy the selection of Woo themes and plugins. And yes, you will get Woo version absolutely free, in addition to Ali Dropship Original. And do you know what the best thing is about all of this? No monthly fees for you anymore. Get the Ali Dropship plugin and forget about the recurrent payments forever. You get the plugin for the one-time payment, and it's yours till the end of time. Free lifelong support is included. And don't forget about our special offer. Order our hosting solution, which is perfectly optimized for your e-commerce sites, and get a free service. Our team will install WordPress, Ali Dropship plugin, and the chosen theme for you at no cost. Your newborn site will be ready for customization right after you get it from us. Buy Ali Dropship plugin. You get all the necessary tools and features for your dropshipping store, and it's all for $89 only. So make up your mind and take the first step to the financial stability and independence with your own online business. Order your plugin now.
Now, with affiliate marketing, you don't need customer service. Again, you are just connecting the dots. You're helping connect the dots of a customer with a product they want to buy. And really, you're just a link, right? You're a link, you're a commission-only marketer, you're a guy in between, you're a middleman. Whereas with Shopify, you are an actual store. You are an actual storefront that is selling a product, so you need customer service. So INV stands for inventory, and one of the great parts about affiliate marketing and drop shipping is that with both of these business models, you don't need any inventory. Affiliate marketing, you don't need inventory because again, you are a link, right? All you're responsible for is traffic. Whereas with a Shopify store, you don't need inventory. Now, I would suggest inventory if you're gonna advertise on Facebook, right? They shut down a lot of physical product sellers, a lot of drop shippers recently because they had left customers waiting for their items like 2 to 3 weeks, which as we all know in the age of Amazon, people expect their products in 2 to 3 hours now, or 2 to 3 days at the most, right? Whereas a lot of dropship products, they can take weeks to actually arrive at the customer's doorstep. So there's a little bit of a gray line there. It depends on what sort of products you're selling, but generally speaking, you don't need to have inventory when you're drop shipping. That's the whole point. Now, advertising, do you need it? Well, with affiliate marketing, yes and no. Okay, I advocate that you should always be doing advertising. If you can't advertise your business, you don't have a scalable business, period. Okay, you're not going to achieve that sort of scale. You're just relying on God knows what. I've built every single business in the last 10 years to be able to be built based on advertising. And that's how you build big businesses. That's how, instead of just one-offs. But you don't need to do affiliate marketing with advertising. You can take the long road and build up a blog or a YouTube channel or an Instagram account over years and then sell products off of that. So you don't need it, but I suggest it, so it's a little iffy there. Whereas with Shopify, you need to do advertising to get sales of your product. Again, you're advertising a product, you're drop shipping from some vendor in China usually, and there's 1,000, there's 10,000 other people selling the exact same product from the exact same person that you are. So really, the heart and soul of Shopify, just like affiliate marketing, is coming up with the best ad, the best creative. So that's how you differentiate yourself. Whereas there's a lot of ways to do affiliate marketing. You could do the best ad wins, which is what I do. The other way is you could just do getting into traffic sources. There's a couple different ways. So now the biggest pros and cons of affiliate marketing would be, the biggest pro I would say is you can literally do it around anything. It doesn't even need to be selling a product. You could be doing lead generation. You could be doing pay per call, which means you get paid if you create phone calls to local businesses. You could be getting app installs. There's a lot of different stuff. Whether if you're passionate about mobile games, you could be an affiliate for mobile games and get paid $5 every time somebody installs a new game on their phone. You can do it around anything you're passionate about. Whereas the biggest con would be, I'd say it's data analysis. You have to know data analysis. You have to do it. You have to get good at it. You have to really start looking at numbers and know basic math. And it's not complicated math, but a lot of people just don't, they can't wrap their heads around math. And if you can't wrap your head around math, and if you don't like looking at numbers, then affiliate marketing is not a good business for you. I think you have to be good at math. You have to like it, and you have to just do it. Whereas the biggest pro and con of Shopify, drop shipping based business, is the biggest pro that I'd say it's very flexible. There's so many products you can promote as a drop shipper. And I'd say flexible, I'd say scalable maybe too, because when you're creating a business up around an actual physical product, you can actually create a business that's worth a lot of money. Whereas in affiliate marketing, you're just connecting dots. Whereas if I was creating a marker, even if I put just my own label, on a dropship product, I'm still creating a brand. And because it's a physical product, and that's worth a lot of money. Some drop shipping companies have sold for $1 billion plus. The Kardashians are drop shipping. That's what they're doing. They're drop shipping makeup kits, and they just slap their Kardashian logo on there. But they have a company now worth hundreds of millions of dollars. So that's a big pro in the favor of drop shipping. There aren't too many affiliate marketing companies worth $1 billion. There are some. Whereas the biggest con is that it's very reliant on Facebook and Instagram advertising. So if you advertise too aggressively, and again, many people do because it's a competitive market, and you lose your ad account, you're kind of wiped out because it's so reliant on Facebook and Instagram advertising. Awesome stuff. So let me know what you liked the most, whether it was affiliate marketing or Shopify, and let me know the most interesting thing you learned here. Was it anything about the inventory or the pros and the cons, etc.? I'd love to hear from you your thoughts on affiliate marketing versus Shopify, or if I missed out on anything, let me know in the comments below.
Knowing what really works was a huge challenge.
The same content is taught at these expensive seminars.
I used to give opportunities like this a miss. Then I learned to grow my business. I needed to grow.
So hopefully to see you on some of my next videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and talk to you soon.